Introducing the Alvantor Bubble Tent, the pop-up transparent tent offering a 360 view of your surroundings, whatever the occasion. The Alvantor Bubble Tent pops up in minutes, with minimal effort and no assembly. This design is innovative and patented. The lightweight and easy fold-down tent can be easily carried by one person, wherever you may need it, and fits in any car trunk. Transparent PVC poles support the waterproof, snowproof, and wind-resistant roof. The Alvantor Bubble Tent retains heat, so you can use it with a heater in the winter and air conditioner in the summer. The Alvantor Bubble Tent is great for gardens, parks, backyards, parties, afternoon team picnics, or meetings, and can be used on spas and jacuzzis. You can also use it as an outdoor bedroom, office workshop, home gym, or just a place to look at the stars. The Alvantor Bubble Tent comes in 3 sizes: 10 by 10 feet with a height of 7 feet, fitting 4 to 6 people; 12 by 12 feet with a height of 7.5 feet, fitting 8 to 10 people; and 15 by 15 feet with a height of 8.5 feet, fitting 12 to 15 people. Every bubble tent comes with a strong box. When you open the security strap, read the warning label carefully. Sandbags, guy lines, and metal stakes provide extra stability in windy conditions. Sandbags can be filled with bricks, stones, or any other weighted objects. If you set up on the deck, you may tie the guy line to anything the rope can be anchored to. Every tent comes equipped with jacket hooks for your jacket, bag, or anything you want to hang up. Extras that can be purchased include sun protection roof, a 3-pack of sunshades to keep cool on hot days, and tarp floors to keep bugs out and keep your bubble tent clean. The Alvantor Bubble Tent is available now. Upgrade your leisure time with friends and family today. Alvantor.